once again, welcome back to our lecture video. So, this time, we will tackle about the Newton's second law. Okay. So, basically, the second law states that when there is an unbalanced force that acts on an object, acceleration is produced. Okay. So, or in other words, when we compute the net force, and it is not equal to 0, then it means that the object will produce acceleration. Okay. So mathematically, we can state the Newton's second law as the summation of forces is equal to mass times acceleration. So there is an acceleration this time. So for us to see further the difference between the first law and the second law of Newton, let us make an illustration regarding the two laws. For example, this is the first law. So once again, in the first law, mathematically, it states that the summation of forces is equal to 0. While we said that in the second law, states that the summation of forces is equal to mass times ma. So basically, the first law is under the balance, while the second law is unbalanced. Okay, so that is the main difference. In terms of graphics, so let me draw some FDD here showing the forces that acts on a body. So the first law, let's say there's a box here, there's an object here, and then since in the first law, the summation of forces is equal to 0, then the forces acting on this object is equal or has the same magnitude and direction. Okay, so there are two forces acting on an object but with the same magnitude. Okay, while on the second law, there is an unbalanced force. Okay. Here you can see that the force B is greater in magnitude than in force A. Therefore, the box will move to the left direction since force B is greater than the force A. So, the forces is not balanced. Therefore, the object will accelerate. While on this figure or illustration, the forces acting on it are balanced. So, there's no acceleration. Okay, so that is the main difference between the first law and the second law. But for this topic, we will discuss this Newton's second law further. Okay.